Hi, this is Kevin Self from Concentrus. I want to show you the quick tip to turn off warning messages about time to build or reorder when creating a sales transaction. You may encounter any of the warning messages when creating a sales transaction, such as sales order, invoice, cash sale, wherein the available quantity is less than the reorder or bill point. Warning messages could be some simple as item XXX, you have only 0 available at this location, time to reorder, time to build. This transaction will leave you with X amount ahead with a reorder point of X amount. To quickly demonstrate what that warning messages look like, this is my demo account and quickly go into one of the customer. And when I type in the item, I quickly get this, the warning message indicates that I have 0 available for commitment across all location, how many back orders and how many unorders. To turn this off and remove the warnings is simple as going into the setting the preference, home set preferences. Then we're going to go into the transaction. Then we're going to unclick the inventory level warnings. By going to build help, it says check this spot to see warning when you sell inventory and with quantity at the low reorder point. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this and save. And then I'm going to go back to the customer. And I'll go into the sales order. And when I add an item this time, no more warning messages. I hope you enjoyed this video and helped you to remove the warning messages when you place an order, and you can quickly place this order a lot in the future. Thank you for watching the video.